This one is so easy, but I never see people doing it. And it really switches from front ocho to back ocho just by taking the one step.
I'm tempted to say I never see us saying it so easy either. So
Oh, it's not so
it's
easy.
a first for both. No, it is. It is. I agree with you, but it's unusual. So here's our photo. Just side change, pivot, step, and this time instead of a pivot, we step, and now we're into back ochos.
So that's all it is anytime the leader wants.
So here's
Anytime
pivot,
the leader
step,
wants.
step, pivot, step, and now we're into front ochos. So instead of doing a pivot, you replace it with a step, and then you go on.
And from either side. If you're doing back ochos, you can go into front ochos just by adding the extra step, and front ochos, you can go into back ochos by adding the extra step.
For the followers as you do this, let me be the girl.
Grr, I'm the guy. So this time I get to pick how many we do.
Mm-hmm. I want you to think that really, if there's a pause, that you really eat it up, you really lift, keep your body active, and then go into the next thing, instead of, there's a pause, clunk.
He's right, that's important.
Oh, I'm dancing, I forgot, and then you come back up. So use that pause, make it rich and wonderful.
So that's probably the first thing that, well, I teach David classical dance, and that's probably the first thing I taught him in classical dance is you always dance. You don't just say, okay, now I'm dancing, now I'm not. See, what he's saying is keep the energy moving and it'll stay beautiful.